Aloha mai nā hoa maka mai ka mokupuni nui o ke awe ahiki ni iha o ka hele lani. Aloha e, aloha e, aloha e.
Aloha, I'm Donna.
And I'm Anissa.
I'm Noah.
I'm Eli.
And we are Māla Kaluʻulu Cooperative.
What's a cooperative? A bunch of hippies or something?
Actually, a co-op is a business structure where the workers own the business. The more we each work, the greater we benefit.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Here at the farm, we are restoring the traditional Hawaiian agroforestry system known as the Kaluʻulu. We are in the heart of what, only 200 years ago, was a 9 square mile belt of agroforestry across the landscape. Our farm is in the heart of that belt.
An agroforest is a way of farming that uses elements and structure of a forest.
3 major components of an agroforestry system are the canopy, the subcanopy, and the ground cover. These different layers help to take up all the space. This uses up the sunlight, which makes it difficult for other weeds to grow. They also help in cycling nutrients. The roots of all these plants reach deep in the soil, pull up the nutrients, bring them up to the leaves, and then drop them back down on the soil surface.
In our system, the forest canopy is mostly breadfruit, which is a very productive starch crop that can be used instead of potatoes or rice.
An example of a subcanopy crop on our farm is mamaki, a fast-growing and light-loving species. Mamaki leaves can be dried and used to make a delicious and medicinal green tea. An example of a ground cover here is awa pui, or the shampoo ginger. These hold space on the ground, and a natural conditioner can be squeezed right from the flower.
In the past, this agroforestry belt in Kona produced about 50,000 tons of food every year and could have fed about 30,000 people. And there were many of these systems across the state. Today, we are restoring about 4 acres. And if you want to get involved, there are things you can do too.
You can grow your own ulu tree by cutting a keiki and potting it up.
Or you can eat more breadfruit instead of rice to support local agriculture.
Mahalo for visiting.
And aloha from Māla Kaluʻulu.